u of t is equal to u naught e to the lambda t. This is a constant here. Lambda is a rate constant, and we're told the u naught is just a number constant at t equals 0. Okay, find du dt in terms of u. So let's differentiate then. Du dt is this lot of e to the lambda t. So this lot of e to the something differentiates to e to the something multiplied by the something differentiated. Differentiating with respect to the symbol t. So t differentiates to 1 and it's lambda lots of 1. So du dt then is equal to, now u naught e to lambda t, which is this part here, is just u, so we've got lambda u, haven't we? When we say y u of t, well, I'll just write it in terms of y of x. Sometimes we write y, sometimes we write y of x. This is just the more long-winded way of writing u. So rather than write u as a function of t in the long-winded way, I'm just going to write it in the short way here. Same as you would with y. So du dt is equal to lambda u. It asked us what that was in terms of u. If u naught is 100 and lambda equals half, find u when t equals 10. So u is equal to, I'm just going to write u equals, u naught is 100, e to the lambda half t. So let's put the values in and see what we get. So we're going to put in t as 10, t equals 20, and t equals 30. Okay, so we get 100e to the 5, don't we, for the first one? 100 times e to the 0.5 is a half times t, which is 10, equals 14841, 14841 point dot dot dot. Okay, now we're going to do 20, so change that to a 20. 2202646, 2202646. Just the whole number part will suffice, I think, with this question, the context of it. Then put t as 30. Three 269013737. Okay, 3269017. Was it 27 after that? 37. 37. Okay, good. Now you'll notice when we did that calculation that we just changed the 10 to 20 and the 20 to 30. So it's as though multipliers that it's just adding on another e to the 5, timesing this number by e to the 5. So that number times by e to the, well, it was increased that by 10, and 10 halves to 5. So I reckon that times 10 e to the 5. Let's just try it. 14841 times by e to the power 5. You get that. And if you times answer times by e to the 5, you should get that. So it's very simple to see what the properties of indices that you times them by e to the 5. So e to the 5 then, let's have a look what it is. Multiplying by each time 148.4. That was every 10 days. Because we're increasing by 10s, weren't we? So that's what was happening to the numbers.